Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders and a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. Actually, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and then your comm screen. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system, and then you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and then your truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your camera view again, you have your hazards and your traction control shut off. And then moving down, you have your media controls, then your climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, and this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have another 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest. Pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath that for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.